I'm Charlie, founder and owner of the Indiana Whiskey Company. This is our crowdfunding campaign. A little over a year ago, we did a similar campaign and raised over $23,000 in order to get our idea off the ground. Well, we did it, and we did it with gusto. Since then, we've made almost 2,000 bottles of our Indiana Silver Sweet Corn whiskey, and we filled a number of these barrels with aged whiskey that in the next 24 to 36 months will be available to purchase. You can find our whiskey in retailers from South Bend down to Bloomington and Indianapolis. We're doing just great, and we couldn't have gotten here without the first support of our crowdfunding campaign. We want to grow bigger, and we need your help to do it. So we've made almost 2,000 bottles of whiskey, and they're all sold out. That's unacceptable. There are more than 350 retail licensees in St. Joe County alone. And that's just one county in the state of Indiana. We want to increase our capacity 5 times to be able to produce 1,000 bottles a week. We know it's an outrageous goal, but I think with your help we can get there. We'd like to purchase a building in downtown South Bend, a building almost 3 times the size of this one. We want to make sure that we have dedicated space to build capacity so that we can make more of the whiskey that you're enjoying right now. We also want to have other services too. We want to build in a cooperage so that we can make sure that every single element of that wood is coming from Indiana and that the final product is aged in a way that we can control 100%. Next, we want to have a tasting room, a place where people can sample the different blends we'll have as the years go by, or a place where you can come for a cocktail after work. Finally, we want some lounge space, a space where we can get together with friends and just enjoy the drinks that we're making. And I think with your help we can do that. We can make something truly lasting in downtown South Bend. Thanks for taking the time to check out our campaign. We really think we can take this to the next level with your help. And so whether it's just once or for the rest of your life, we hope you'll enjoy the Indiana Whiskey.